Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some entries for you today. Number 9 is coming from our very own Miss Chiquita. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Yes! Oh, look at her entry. I love it. Oh, look at her flower. She has a butterfly on here. Oh, Chiquita, this is gorgeous. Oh, I love that. Look at that. The beautiful flower, and she added a little bling center to the center of the flower, and still got the cap so we could still use it and then cover it up. Oh, I love this. I love this gorgeous pen. Thank you. Thank you, Chiquita. Okay, so let me put it so I can see the pen. There we go. There we go. And the flower, I guess you could just fluff it still because it's tissue, but look at this beautiful flower. I saw her making this on her IG. Oh my goodness. I think she was making it with Felicia's Crafts. Beautiful. You just need to fluff it, guys. It's just tissue and it's not damaged. This gorgeous flower, and she used not crepe paper, she used the packaging tissue papers, the different colors and stuff. Look at me, I haven't even got to her memory decks, but I love her flower. Oh my god, Chiquita, I love it. Love, 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 guys. Look at this. Fluffy goodies. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, pen, you have to stay because I want to show you. I'm showing you off. There we go. Okay, now you're taking up the whole screen. Let me just scoot everything over. There we go. Now we have room to move. There we go. And this is her entry. I love the purple ribbon. Oh my goodness. Saving that, definitely. And then paper. See, imagine you can take this tissue. This is exactly what she used to make the flowers. Beautiful. Oh, look at her memory decks card, guys. Look at this. Oh, wow. Ooh, so pretty. So guys, if you didn't know, Chiquita is really, her name is Deborah. But I love her name, her nickname Chiquita. It's so cute. She made another flower and she used a straw right here for the stem. And she's got doily in the background. And I love her butterflies. She must love butterflies. Oh, I recognize this bow. Oh my goodness, you used the bow. Yes, Chiquita, I love it. She's got some stickles going, and then she's got her bling in the middle. This gorgeous butterfly, and then there's a little brad right here. So pretty. And then she's got a key right there with the beautiful hearts from Dollar Tree hearts. I love these. I have a whole stash of those. And she's got a little chipboard action going here with the lovely, and then she's got a fall leaf in the background. And then she has this gorgeous cross. Look at that. Where'd you get that, girl? That's beautiful. So let's see how she did this. See, it's a brad. It's on the back side. And a gorgeous butterfly. Oh, that's cute. Oh, it just swivels up, guys. It's not a flip. It swivels up. Okay. So she also has a stamp. It's really nice. It has her name, her channel name. And she loves butterflies. Purple, yes. Her birthday is November 22nd. She loves mixed media and loves all nature and cuties, gems, sparkly, ephemera, journaling paper, cards. That is so cute. So it just slides up like that. Isn't that smart? That is so smart, Chiquita. I love that. So thank you very much. And then she added some goodies. I didn't even realize she had goodies, guys. Look at her rosettes. And she added some butterflies for her centers. That is gorgeous. You did awesome. And the background paper, it's got purple wood grain. That's nice. I like that. And then she has another rosette here, and it just says happy birthday. Gorgeous. With some more purple bling here. Those are the dewdrops. Oh, she colored them purple. And I think she used her alcohol inks to color those. And then she has a little envelope here with some peekaboo owls. I think they'll pop out. I think so, guys. Let's see. Let me just see. Yep, they sure do. That's so cute. So cute. Oh, I love it. Pretty flowers. And she's got the little sentiment down there. It says pretty. Nice little heart with the pearl. So teeny tiny. Oh my goodness, Chiquita, it made it here. We had so much dilemma of where the heck is our mail. And it finally made it to the house today. My son and my husband brought it in. So thank you so much, love, for entering. And then I'm going to go into another entry since we have a little more time here. Okay, and this one is coming from Sally, who is, let me see. Sally is SL Juarez 2006 on Instagram. And if you guys know who Sally is, go check her out. I will have all the links down below in the description box. Okay, I'm just trying not to show anybody's address. So I'm just gonna, actually I can do it this way. I'm gonna pull this out. Oh wow. Oh, look at this. Look at this grass that she has. Oh, and she has some confetti or punches. Look. So you can make your own confetti, guys. This is gorgeous. She's got little teeny tiny flowers and stars. This is so cute. I love that. I'm saving that, definitely. And look what she did. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Best kid ever. So she decorated a spool. Oh, look at that. Giraffe print. Oh, that's so gorgeous. I don't have any of that. It's grosgrain ribbon, guys. And it just says best kid ever. That would be me. Yeah, sure, Eileen, sure. And so let's go see what else she has. Let's see if she has a card. Yep, she has a card here. Let's see. And it just says celebrate. It's like a journaling card. And so let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so adorable. She has a die cut. It says happy birthday in a circle. And here's where those little punches came from. Look at this die that she has right here. There's little flower cutouts around the edging. So cute. And then I think she has like a border strip here. Scallop border strip. Let me see, what's the back? What does this say? Hello, hope you have a wonderful birthday month. Enjoy the extras and hope you like the Memory Dex card, Sally. Yes, I do. And her Instagram is SL Juarez 2006. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, girl. What is there not to like? Okay. All that matters is it's coming from you all. And I have to open it this way because it's stapled. Oh. You guys, I didn't even show you the top, but I'll show it to you in a minute. I just want to get the staples off. There we go. So she has a little white paper bag and she used a heart doily. And it says, you are so loved. That is so beautiful. I love doilies, guys. Especially the heart ones because they're hard to find. Unless you could get them at Dollar Tree, but then they're all the same. It's red or white, you know. And they're the same. Okay, here I am trying to save a bag. Oh, it's not going to be saved. Look at this. Look what she has in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Her beautiful bows. Look at this. I don't know what collection this is, but there's some mushrooms. And then there's some like rose gold or copper. To me, they look the same. And then they have little stars. They're foiled on the bow there. So extra pretty, guys. Oh my god, I love it. And then let's see what this one says. It's just pretty much the same. It has the heart doily and it says spread love. And we gotta do it. Oh no. No. I don't wanna. Let me see, where did my scissors go? Under everything. Okay. I'm gonna have to make third entry on a separate video. But look, oh my gosh. Sally, you didn't have to. Look at that. Thank you, Sally, so much. And then this one is her memory decks. It says open, oh no. What does it say? Pens. If you want to be happy, be. That is so true, girl. Okay, I'm gonna open from the bottom. Just so I don't mess things up. Just open it in the bottom. So adorable. Sally, thank you so much for joining. Look. Oh, there's extras. What, girlfriend? That's not necessary. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. So she has little party bag. What are these? Coin envelopes? So pretty. And Project Life card she shared with me. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, wishes. Birthday favorites, life of the party. Oh, this is all birthday themed, guys. I just realized that just now because I'm just a genius. Thank you, Sally. And look at her gorgeous memory decks card. Oh my goodness. Girl, how did you do that? Is it supposed to be like that? Don't tell me it slides out. Does this slide out? Does it? Or no? No. Or is it just a pocket? It's a pocket. It's a secret pocket. She has a shaker. Look at this thing. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. I keep moving it around. Here's some pom-pom trim. And she has this little burlap flower right here. And then she has a doily, gold doily. And then she has a blue doily. And some green rickrack here. But look at this rainbow. And she put some flatback pearls on the rainbow on the clouds. And her little shaker is so adorable, guys. She's got sunbursts and some butterflies and some little white vellum flowers, gold sequins in there. So cute. I don't know what collection this is. It's got a little bear and it says shine, her little bow, all the little teeny tiny pearls up here with the flower. I don't know what that is. And then the back just says to Eileen from Sally, and then has her Instagram name again. And on the inside she has some goodies. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at her flowers. Oh, it's die cut. Oh, look at that. Wah! Runaway flowers. Look at those beautiful flowers. Oh my goodness. And she gave me some on here for me to use if I could, oops, if I could ever untangle it. There we go. So we got 3 beautiful flowers, and then we have 3 little swirlies, or 3 swirlies. Oh, that is so cute. Thank you so much, Sally. That is adorable. I love that. So pretty. I don't know what paper collection this is, but I love this idea. And then you add a pocket, guys, right here to put some goodies in there. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love this idea. I love it. Thank you so much, Sally. This is so beautiful. I'm sorry it looks like a mess, but yeah, just a little flustered here. There we go. And then I'll bring this back in here. Also Chiquitas. I don't know if we could fit it all. Just slide a little bit over. And we can get these 2 entries in here. Let me see. I can move it this way. Beautiful, guys. Thank you all for watching. Please go check out the ladies' channels and the Instagram.